Hello, all. Thank you so much for joining us. With us is Harsh Shah from Sangli, who is the marketing head of Incarto. Incarto is an incredible store on Bikai, and we thought that it would make sense to get in touch with Harsh and understand how he went about building his business and how he went about establishing his online presence. Harsh, thank you so much for joining us.
It's a pleasure to be here with the team.
Perfect. So, I before I get started, I would love to know more about Encarto.com. Can you tell us a little
Yes.
bit more about Encarto.com?
Yes, Encarto.com. So basically, we guys are a platform where you get stationery supplies. So basically, the problem today with the public is they have to go for every little thing on Amazon or Flipkart. And what happens is their heavy duties, that sum ups to the cost and the charge, entire charge of the product increases to a bit high. So at Incarto, we are aiming to provide stationery at what the price it should be to the people. So trying to
Okay.
keep it cheap for everybody. So that is
Okay.
what Incarto aims at.
Perfect. Wonderful. And where are you based out of, Harsh?
So we are based in Sangli, Maharashtra. It's near Kolhapur, and you spell it Kolhapur. That's not the issue.
Oh, okay. Very sorry about that.
It's all
Okay.
right.
So it's in Sangli, Maharashtra.
Yes, Maharashtra.
Perfect. So if I were to ask, I mean, even before your online store, can you tell us a bit about how you got started?
See, basically, what had happened was my generation, like my grandfather, my father, they owned a stationery business. But there's a quote saying ki khandani business. But I
Mhm.
always oppose that thing ki khandani business. I did not like the traditional way of doing the business. So I tried to introduce new cute stationery stuff or maybe fancy stationery, what you know. Because
Mhm.
regular stationery store, if you visit, you just get pen, pencil, and few selected items, right? So I
Mhm.
thought to bring something out of the box for people at very cheap rate. And
Okay.
what eventually happened was ki I thought of taking it online, but going to Amazon, Flipkart didn't make any sense to me for long run because that wouldn't help me establish my brand. So that's where I thought of Bikai,
Mhm.
and this is how we got started. So it was back 1 month back. I had diagnosed with COVID. Okay, so
Oh,
I was isolated, yes, for 14 days. But it
wow.
turns out to be that those were the best days of my life. Now, why
Okay.
best days? I'm going to explain. So it was seventh or eighth day, and COVID के time पे you just keep on surfing internet और तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते. So that is when I came across Bikai, and I was
Okay.
in no mood to give it a try because personally I had to take dozens of medicines. But I thought to myself that let's give it a try. It's a free platform. It looks wonderful.
Mhm.
So I thought कि हम भी कुछ ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि
Okay.
जिससे we can take this business to national level. But the major setback was a website. Trust me, e-commerce website are heck ton of expensive, and that's where Bikai helped
Absolutely.
me a lot.
Wonderful. So we'll talk to you about how Bikai helped you, but how did you find Bikai? So you were surfing internet, and how did you just stumble upon
Yeah,
us?
maybe I think I found it on sponsored advertisement or on YouTube.
Okay.
So I felt very connected to it because it was I came across this was the first Indian company who were doing something
Mhm.
for small businesses. Now I
Correct.
felt connected. You feel connected towards Indian brand like Royal Enfield. You
Absolutely.
know,
Yes. Yes.
so that's how I got connected to Bikai and the team and the responsibility they have taken to grow my
Mhm.
business. It's way
Mhm.
out of the box. I just cannot express my gratitude to the team.
Wow. So I actually, before we get into more details about your experience with Bikai, I want to know this. Uh, how have online companies like Amazon, Flipkart, etc., affected you directly or indirectly?
See, I'll give you a short, small example. Like, how did Nykaa Mintra got their place in the market? Do you know how did they get? Because Amazon has become so wide that if you want to buy, for example, a pencil, for example, in my field, you wouldn't head on to Amazon, right, to buy a pencil, because when you click over pencil keyword, it appears to be like thousands of pencils, and that confuses the mind. Like, not everybody is
Absolutely.
comfortable with it. So
Absolutely.
this loophole gave place to Nykaa, like a segmented market like Nykaa, Mintra. They have their goals prepared from the first that we are going to sell cosmetics, we are going to sell clothing. So that
Mm-hmm.
is what I thought, that I found Amazon as my competitor. Now that's way too much I'm talking about myself. But when someone gets too big, people like
Mm-hmm.
us who are too small gets an opportunity to head on to them. That is what I think.
Correct.
So I want Incarto to be next a Nika or Mintra in the field of stationery. And that's where
Wonderful.
I thought my business to be could be maybe in 10 years.
Superb. And what about your normal offline business? How did that get affected by these big companies like Amazon,
Way too
Flipkart, and
much.
all that? Can you
Uh,
give me some examples?
Yes. See, Amazon, Flipkart did not affect my business honestly, but what affected my business is
Mm-hmm.
way too harsh than how Amazon would do. Like
Mm-hmm.
basically, हर city में एक stationery store होता है, right? Who is
Correct.
king? Who is king of that market? And anyone who tries to emerge in that market has to do something different than what he's been doing since so long.
Correct.
So what I did was I found Bikai. I registered my personal domain,
Mm-hmm.
and in the city itself, I started to make a word out of my service that Incarto.com provides home delivery. And I used Bikai as particular to show my catalog to the people.
Mm-hmm.
So
So
that is
that
how,
very nicely leads
yes,
to my next question, which is what was the reaction of your customers when you started
they
sending
were
them these
amazed.
things?
They were really
so
amazed.
so can you explain how?
Yes, I'll tell you. So when they went to our website, it was so user friendly. Like people usually call me up, like my relatives, and they tell me कि हम लोग free time में आपका website देखते हैं. This is what I want customer to do. सिर्फ बाइंग के लिए यू शुड नॉट विजिट आवर वेबसाइट इन योर फ्री टाइम
Correct.
कि क्या नया आया है यू शुड लाइक हम लोग अमेजोन का कैसा है कि समझो आई फाउंड दिस पेपर दिस इज न्यू काइंड ऑफ पेपर सो
Mhm.
सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करते हैं उसकी प्राइस अमेजोन पे चेक करते हैं राइट
Correct.
कि अमेजोन पे उसकी प्राइस क्या है सो अमेजोन हैज बिकम अ प्रोडक्ट सर्च इंजन
Correct.
but in my city now I am starting to being a product search engine like if you want to buy stationery firstly
Mhm.
search on incarto.com कि क्या
Mhm.
प्राइस चल रहा है what variety
Mhm.
do they have and then हम लोग डिसाइड करेंगे कि हमें इंकार्टो से लेना है या नहीं
Wow, wonderful.
yes and
Superb.
initially it
Mhm.
was very difficult कि लोगों को बताना कि we are a brand but with the
Mhm.
e-commerce platform we have turned to a brand and now we are head on to the king of our stationery line in my city not just my city in entire district so that
Wow,
is how
that's
my sales
amazing.
have changed. Yes.
Wow. And I mean, I want to understand this. What was your reaction to your first order?
My order has been increasing every day. Like I don't know
No,
if
but
you
I want
know
to
my
know.
stats.
So no, no, I mean, your stats are incredible, but I am asking you from the perspective of the first order. अभी आपने मेहनत करके
I
एक
was
setup कर लिया.
amazed. Like this was
So
so easy, man. God damn. Like I thought e-commerce was something hell lot of trouble. I had to keep team. Now you won't
Mhm.
believe I am managing
Mhm.
this all alone. So a team of mine clicks the photos and a
Mhm.
team of mine dispatches the order. So
Mhm.
usually if I were to create my own website, I would need at least 4 to 5 people to manage it. But Bikai
Correct.
has done it everything for me at my ease that I am the whole and sole person who manages my website. And the
Wow,
first
wonderful.
order, it was incredible, like very incredible. Like, it was so easy to earn money. I never thought I had to struggle so less.
That's
Yes,
really I mean, I'm extremely happy that we managed to give you this experience. So let's talk
yes.
about your experience with Bikai. So you heard about Bikai and you started. So can you take us through your journey on how did how long did it take and what were the steps you took to set up your own store?
Mhm. See, it took a lot of time, honestly. It
Okay.
took a lot of time to set up a store that people would visit recurringly.
Okay.
Like, store banana is very easy. Like, anybody can do it. If you pay someone 5,000, he'll set up an fucking entire store like Amazon for you.
Correct.
But for Bikai, it wasn't that way. I had to do everything on my own. But I knew
Okay.
that मैं आज जो मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, it is going to result in 3 to 4 months down the line.
So can you take us through the steps? I mean, what all
Yes.
did you do and how
See, now
what all happened? Yeah.
I hope some stationery store vendor doesn't see this video because my secrets are going to be open. And I said you I want to be next big giant in this field, but that's all right. See
Absolutely.
what I did. I'll show you something. Give me a while.
Sure,
See, this
sure,
is the
absolutely.
green mat that I've got from a market. It's for, I
Mhm.
guess, $50. Okay. I
Okay.
don't know if you're able to see. Okay.
Yes, yes, it's
So
clear. It's
what I do is,
absolutely clear.
yes. So what I do is, I bring amazing things from market. Like I
Mhm.
import few of the things from other countries and
Mhm.
other places.
Mm-hmm.
And what I do is I bring it in my store. I click high definition pictures of it, like
Okay.
tempting pictures is what I
Mm-hmm.
do,
Mm-hmm.
and I post it on Instagram. Now my page is doing pretty well by the grace of your team, like the way they've helped me. So the way it is growing, people are starting to visit my website.
Mm-hmm.
So the first mistake I did with Bikai was I clicked very amateur pictures, like just very amateur, and that wasn't resulting in sales. So pictures, photos play hell lot of role in promoting your business product.
Okay. Nice. That's a
So
good tip
I just
actually.
yes, I just clicked, I just uploaded, I just marketed. Now
Mm-hmm.
the entire key lies in marketing.
Okay.
So once your setup is like system is set up, like जैसा बिकाई setup हो चुका है, then the next part is marketing. If you don't market it for yourself, nobody else is going to do it. That is what I think.
Correct. Correct.
So that
Absolutely.
is where the main thing comes in play. Yes.
So tell me this: you found Bikai, you downloaded the app, and then what? Like, what were the steps after that to get to Incarto.com?
The first thing when I downloaded Bikai was I wanted to do something big, and I found that Bikai is going to help me to do it. So I
Okay.
put my day and night. 14 days isolation was the best period. Like in the first
Okay.
7 days, I found
Uh-huh.
Bikai, I studied it, and the next 7 days, I knew when I'm going to go out of this room, I want the first order, and it did happen. So I just
Wow.
uploaded photos,
Mm-hmm.
and I'll tell you one key. Okay, this is the secret. I'm going to share it with you. I hope
Mm-hmm.
my competitor doesn't know it. If you have 100 products, okay, if you have
Mm-hmm.
100 products, click 300 photos of it in different angles and post it.
Wow.
When people find that you have variety, you're going to rock it. So if this is the scale, okay, I have, okay, this is the scale. So मैं पहला पिक्चर ऐसे निकालूंगा, दूसरा ऐसे निकालूंगा, तीसरा ऐसा निकालूंगा, and I'll post it. So people
Okay.
get jumbled कि इतना सारा product, how do you have? Like I have 1800 products in my store, but I pretend that I have more than 10,000 products.
Wow.
So this is
So,
the only key I found to be, to generate the order.
so tell me this. I mean, like even before going to the step of photos and all, uh,
Hmm.
I'm talking about a lot earlier than that. Like you discover the app and you start playing
Yes.
around with it, and you get in touch with us and we help you set it up. So, what all were the steps did you go through in that? What were some of the difficulties you faced, and how did we help you tackle it, and how did you tackle it on your own as well?
Okay. Firstly, I uploaded the photos. I clicked photos, I uploaded it.
Mm-hmm.
And I needed to create catalogs, like different catalogs. But
Correct.
main thing that turned the situations were private domain that you guys provided. And
Correct.
that is the most wonderful thing because I did not want myself, I did not need myself to be linked with always Bikai. Though the
Correct.
Bikai is a
Absolutely.
pillar in my business, but
Mm-hmm.
to grow, I knew that I had to be on my own. So
Mm-hmm.
I called up your team. They guided
Mm-hmm.
me so well towards my
Mm-hmm.
personal domain at so less cost. Like I think it's like the stats. I compared the stats. The cost that I've put it in your business is nothing. Like literally nothing. Like इतने में तो one Sunday एक Sunday का dinner हो जाता है family का. That is what I spent on Bikai. Literally.
Okay.
मैंने
Wow.
इतना कम spend किया है. Like yesterday,
Okay.
I had been to dinner with my friends. I had spent 1200 per head contribution.
Okay.
Now on
Wow.
Bikai, I've just spent 5000.
Mm-hmm.
That is the only
Wow.
thing I've spent. Your team guided me so well towards personal domain. And
Mm-hmm.
moreover, सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा था कि मैंने जो भी छोटे-छोटे प्रॉब्लम्स टीम के साथ शेयर किए,
Mm-hmm.
टीम ने मुझे आधे घंटे में उसका सॉल्यूशन निकाल के दिया. Just half an
Wow.
hour.
So I will definitely tell our support team for a very good job done with Harsh, because this is
Yes.
amazing feedback. So tell me
And
this.
especially,
Yeah.
just a minute, I'm going to highlight Khwaja. Khwaja नाम का
Okay.
कोई तो है. He is a
Correct.
wonderful person. Like I
Yep.
want to meet him in person. The way he have guided me since the day one. I'm going to
Wow.
meet him when I come down to your location.
Absolutely. You're definitely
Yes,
invited. Let things settle down with COVID. We'll love to
yes,
have
yes,
you in
yes,
our office.
yes.
Amazing. So tell me this. I'm asking you this again and again because see, I told this to you even earlier before I started recording the video, which was, but like at Bikai, we really felt that small businesses, given the right tools, right, they can
Yes.
do wonders, and they can probably even beat out some of the big guys because they really believe in personalization and customization and
Yes.
things like that. So, from that perspective, right, what were some of those small issues which you faced? And the thing here, an important point I would like to highlight for our audience as well is, guys, setting up an e commerce store is a very, very challenging thing if it is not seamless and easy and you don't get help at the right moment.
Yes.
So, Harsh, can you tell us what were those small issues which you faced and how our team helped you?
Let me think about the issues. They're not much, but still, let me think if you're emphasizing. Issues. Uh, See, honestly speaking, I did not find any issues yet. So
Wow.
I would
Okay.
not glorify my issue, but there are
Okay.
very minor issues, like I don't remember the exact word to it, but combinations, product combinations. Like if you
Okay.
have this mat in green color, if you have it
Mhm.
in orange color, how do you segregate?
Correct. Correct.
Uh,
Understood. Variants, product variants.
Yes, yes, yes. That was the only place I needed a help, and your team guided. So what was happening कि अगर एक में ही दो है, I have to put up inventory and everything. So it was pretty confusing in the start. But with the steps, it got sorted out. But
Okay.
now at this position, I have not kept any kind of combination. I have kept every product individual.
Wonderful. Okay.
So there are
And
not much problems I have faced.
I want to ask you two more questions, and these are very important. This is something which many people ignore when they're selling on Amazon and Flipkart.
Mm-hmm.
Delivery and payments. So, how is
Mm-hmm.
your experience? Can you just take us through how deliveries happen through Bikai orders and how payments are collected by you through Bikai orders?
Yes, 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 sorry, sorry, yes. So delivery and payments, right?
Yeah,
Yes. See, payments is your payment thing is pretty fast. Like I think the settlement day is T plus one, right?
correct, correct,
So that's not the issue. And you guys provide a very fantastic Excel report to me. So
correct,
I just have to match it with my bank statement.
correct.
Uh, it would be a very generous thing if you could have a team do it for us.
Okay,
Now,
understood.
this is a very keen thing you need to note down. If
Hmm.
you automate our work, we are
Hmm.
going to focus on things we are good at, right?
Absolutely, yes. That's
And
our
since
main
you
goal.
guys know, yes, you guys know our stats, so it's nothing to hide from you, our bank statements, right?
Correct.
So if your team could help me do it, that would be fantastic. Now, delivery is the thing that initially I had faced some problem with the order format. Okay,
Okay.
even that was sorted. So
Hmm.
now the order format is so easy that you get an unique order ID for all your orders. You
Hmm.
get an address. You just
Hmm.
have to print the receipt. You just have to stick it on your parcel.
Correct.
Now
And
that's the very easy thing.
wonderful. And tell me this. So regarding payment settlements, as you said, T plus 1 day is our time. Now, this is actually a problem. Why I paused here is, I'm sure you're aware if you sell on Amazon and Flipkart, you have to wait 15 days, 30 days for their payment settlements.
Yes, 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 yes,
So this is
yes,
something which was a very keen focus for us to make sure that our, because look, we work with small businesses who want to grow. We don't work with big companies who can get huge working capital from bank and all that. So
yes.
I would like to highlight this. Moving to my next question, which is sharing on WhatsApp through some of our custom images. Have you done that, Harsh, regarding the marketing tools which Bikai
No,
has?
actually, I haven't done it yet because my
Okay.
major focus is on Instagram and Facebook. I'm generating
Okay.
traffic from there, but that feature is very good. Like for a local business who is aiming to be a number one in his city,
Hmm.
that plays a very important role. Now, in my case, I
Absolutely.
haven't used it yet because I have
Okay.
my graphics team who does it for me. But
Okay.
that is the best thing a local because कैसा है कि if someone aged 50 is using Bikai, उनको
Hmm.
ये Canva हो गया like Photoshop नहीं कर सकते. It's pretty
Correct.
difficult for them. Like you
Correct.
guys are providing a package जहाँ पे you just have to click and the link goes to the person. That is a very nice feature.
Wonderful. Glad you liked it. So tell me this now.
Yes,
What are some
wait.
feedback?
You
Yeah, yeah.
need to
Sure.
introduce few more stickers like user friendly, like comical stickers.
I was going to that. So feedback. What is some of the feedback you have for us?
Yes. Now I'm going to have this paper and I'm going to write few before I get back to you. Give me a moment.
Absolutely.
Because see, what I think is, I think Bikai as my own family company. I don't know how, but I am pretty attached to it. like Sonakshi
Wonderful.
and the entire team. Okay.
Yes,
So I
yes.
want it to grow, so I'm going to give you feedback very genuinely and very bluntly on that.
Please
Okay.
do. We also want to grow with you, so please do.
Yes, yes. Just a minute. Give me a while. Search engine. Okay, the first is when you go through your orders, okay, so there's no search bar where I can search the order. You have applied the filters, right? Like
Mm-hmm,
ordered, progress, and delivered,
mm-hmm,
returned. But there's
mm-hmm.
no search bar. You need to, because now my orders have hit pretty high, at least by what I think. I want to grow. But now to search order number who's quite below in the list is pretty
Mm-hmm.
difficult for me. Like I have to
Understood.
go through a lot of hectic work.
Mm-hmm.
So
Understood.
if there
Okay.
was a search bar where I could enter person name, order ID or number, it would filter out for me.
Correct. Definitely. This is a very good feedback. I'm sure it'll help all the Bikai users as well. I'll
Yes,
take this into account.
yes. And the second one is integrate delivery tracking link on your platform.
Correct.
Like
Okay.
I get like at least 50 to 100 message every day कि मेरा parcel कहाँ पहुंचा. Now
Okay.
I cannot afford to hire two people who will handle my customer care department for them. That is pretty much expensive for a startup.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
Right.
Correct.
So
Absolutely.
if people could log on to their panel and go
Mm-hmm,
through where the parcel has reached, it would be
mm-hmm.
very easy for us to grow.
Perfect. Understood. That's a very good feedback as well. I will take this into account.
Yes. And one more feedback. Just a minute. I texted your team few days back. I'll just go and read it first. Mm. And one more thing, the payment gateway that you've used, Razorpay, it
Mm-hmm.
has some issue in it. I don't know what issue does it have, but the
Okay.
payment keeps on processing, and the customer loses his spark of that particular moment where he needs or she needs to purchase it, right? So I guess you need to work out with your payment gateway partners, like what exactly is the problem. I do not know.
Sure, sure. We'll check it out. It'll be our technical team will definitely look into this and immediately we'll try to solve this.
Yes, and there's one more thing. Wait, I'm going through it. You can lately cut this waiting period where I'm searching. You can get directly to the point.
No, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
Uh, yes. Payment method. Regarding the payment method, we do not have Paytm with us right now on board. If Paytm could be, because in South, what I think is majority people are using Paytm. They find it very comfortable. I don't know the reason why.
Understood. Yes, yes. For certain things, Paytm has very high delivery. I mean, payment success rates. We'll
Yes,
definitely
and
look
it's
into that as well.
very fast. Comparatively to other payment gateways, it's very Paytm is
Absolutely.
like very fast and user friendly. And Google Pixels, yes. Google Pixels, you need to put it on your,
So this one, I can definitely tell you that we are in beta testing with Merchant Center and all that, and definitely will be. This one, it's already in process. So please wait for an update soon.
perfect. And blog. Like for
Yes,
SEO, I need a blog on my website.
correct.
So if you could
Absolutely.
introduce a blog thing, I
Mhm.
could, bring more traffic to my website.
Absolutely. That's a very good point. We'll definitely take into account the blog as well because it can really help,
Yes,
drive in a lot of traffic.
yes.
The My next question is this, and this will be my last question before I let you go. So, to use Bikai and to get started, did you have to invest in computers and all those things, or were you able to do everything on your phone till now?
No, I was like initially I started from a mobile, and for
Hmm.
a business to grow, mobile phone is way too much, uh, you know, outdated. I would say not something, but outdated. Now, why I think is you can do everything from your mobile, but mobile is a very complex thing. Like you get a lot of messages, you get everything. So I personally prefer Bikai for
Hmm.
my thing, but for
Hmm.
local businesses, they can use mobile itself. That's not the issue.
Correct.
But I find computer more comfortable. If you have a
Absolutely.
computer, go with it. You do not buy a new one for it. You do not have to invest. But usually
Correct.
people have computers with them. It's very common thing these days.
Absolutely. So, guys, this was Harsha. Thank you so much for joining us, Harsh. If you want
Thank
to
you,
write
Nikhil.
to him, and if you think that he's not really our customers, you can directly contact him at care@incarto.com. We are not making this up. This is a genuine interview from a customer of ours. So you can reach out
Yes.
to him
And
at
next time, I need
care@incarto.com.
that ring that is making you more fairer than me. Okay, that ring. My bulb is not doing
please,
it for me.
please order a ring light. It'll really help out, especially if you do a
Yes,
lot
you
of
can order it
conference
from
calls.
Incarto. We'll soon get it on our catalog list.
Absolutely, absolutely. So to everyone else
Yes.
who's watching, please don't forget to check out incarto.com. I think they have done a very good job with their Bikai store. It's one of our favorite ones, and they are
Thank
seeing
you so much,
amazing
Nikhil.
results.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Harsh, for joining me.
Thank
This was
you. Thank
Harsh
you so
Shah.
much.
Yeah, great, Harsh.